People think cheap land in America is completely dead, bought up, built over, or priced so high it makes your stomach turn. But then you look at the back roads of Arkansas, and the math completely stops making sense. Right now, there are properties sitting on acreage with utilities ready, updated structures, and move-in ready layouts for prices that sound like a flat-out typo. What the mainstream real estate market completely overlooks to hand you the raw numbers straight. No staging, no corporate spin. Today, we are counting down 5 incredible Arkansas properties, dropping from a fully loaded resort home all the way down to a 3-bedroom house priced so low I had to call the agent twice just to confirm it wasn't a mistake. If you skip even 2 seconds of this list, you will miss it. Let's go. Number 5. Starting our countdown at number 5, we are diving straight into a recreational paradise located at 112 Chalet Cir, Fairfield Bay, Arkansas. If your family is searching for a peaceful resort lifestyle without sacrificing modern, move-in ready comfort, this immaculate manufactured home is an absolute must-see. Priced at an accessible $129,900, with an affordable price tag of just $99 per square foot, this 2018 built residence offers an extraordinary entry point into small-town lake living. It stands proud on a 0.31-acre level lot within the beautiful Lakewood subdivision, completely surrounded by pristine nature. Stepping inside, you are greeted by an inviting, single-story open floor plan that boasts 1,312 square feet of highly efficient interior livable area. The smart layout positions all 3 bedrooms on the same level, featuring a private primary suite apart from the guest rooms, complete with a soothing soaker tub, a walk-in shower, and a double vanity. The spacious eat-in kitchen includes a built-in electric range, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, and a breakfast bar designed for hosting family gatherings. Structurally, the home features durable metal and vinyl siding, a permanent foundation, underpinning, a long-lasting metal roof, a convenient parking pad, and a separate laundry room. Outdoor space is a true highlight, offering a covered front porch, a fire pit area for roasting s'mores, a large entertaining deck, and a partially fenced wood yard. The location places adventure right outside your door. You can hop on your ATV and ride directly to local hiking trails, premier golf courses, restaurants, and the local marina. The property is fully connected to public water and a public sewer grid, drawing power from a local electric co-op. The community HOA fee sits at $200 monthly, granting you exclusive access to local pools, tennis courts, fitness trails, and lake amenities. To make this deal even sweeter, the seller is offering a massive bonus by paying a full year of HOA dues for the buyer right at closing. Property number 4. We have a total game changer for anyone looking for historic charm, massive acreage, and incredible zoning flexibility. Welcome to 5309 Dollarway Road, Whitehall, Arkansas. The headline out here isn't just the structural space, it is the dual-purpose versatility. This unique property is fully zoned for both residential and commercial use, meaning a serious hobbyist can easily turn this space into a side business, or a business owner can run an enterprise straight out of their own front yard. Priced at just $105,000, this massive 2,032 square foot traditional home breaks down to a jaw-dropping $52 per square foot. Originally constructed in 1939, this house has that old-time flair and heavy-duty structural integrity that you simply cannot buy in modern builds today. It sits on a spectacular, level 1-acre lot packed with mature pecan trees where squirrels play. The fully fenced backyard provides ample space for large flowers, extensive vegetable gardening, and secure outdoor storage. What makes this older home incredibly safe for buyers is that the most expensive mechanical items are already completely sorted. The roof, central natural gas furnace, and electric air conditioning systems were all entirely replaced in 2018, protecting you from near-term capital expenditures. Inside, the home features a practical single-story layout with 3 bedrooms on the same level, 2 full bathrooms, a spacious den, and a cozy family room featuring classic wood paneling and ceiling fans. The kitchen operates with an eat-in layout, a freestanding gas range, and an included refrigerator. Flooring runs original wood throughout the main living spaces. For parking and utility, the exterior features an attached carport, an extra parking pad, a detached storage building, and a dedicated shop space. Connected to Entergy municipal electricity, public water, and public sewer lines, this property gives you urban utilities on a massive rural acre. There are absolutely zero HOA fees, ensuring your monthly expenses remain incredibly low while your investment grows. Property number 3. We are looking at the ultimate golden ticket for first-time homebuyers or investors seeking an absolute turnkey property. Say hello to 1105 Nancy Street, Whitehall, Arkansas. Priced beautifully at $95,000, with an estimated monthly mortgage payment hovering around just $647. This traditional single-family home proves that you can still buy an updated, gorgeous home in a highly desirable school district without breaking the bank. Built in 1979, this property sits on a level 10,500 square foot lot lot within the peaceful Shady Acres subdivision. The superpower of this property is that it is completely move-in ready with zero renovation stress required. The current owners have executed beautiful modern updates throughout the entire 1,152 square feet of interior livable area. Walk across the brand new, premium laminate flooring that stretches across the entire home, keeping maintenance simple and entirely eliminating old carpet. Both full bathrooms have been tastefully updated with modern fixtures, and the entire structure is protected by a brand new composition roof, giving you ultimate peace of mind against the elements. The layout is highly functional, featuring 3 bedrooms on the same level, 2 full bathrooms, an inviting family room, a dedicated laundry room, and a practical eat-in kitchen equipped with a freestanding range. Step outside to the rear patio and you will find a massive, fully fenced backyard that is absolutely perfect for entertaining guests, letting pets run, or enjoying private family time. For utilities, the property features low-maintenance all-electric heating and cooling systems, municipal energy electricity, a public water connection, and a public sewer line. Parking is easily handled by an exterior parking pad. Best of all, there are no restrictive HOA rules or annual fees to worry about here. At a highly competitive $82 per square foot, this home lets you step right into a finished, updated piece of property without writing a single repair check. Property number 2. Prepare to be absolutely blown away as we hit our number 2 spot and head over to the southern edge of Sebastian County. Located at 908 East 1st Street, Hartford, Arkansas, this cozy single-family residence is currently listed for an unbelievable $65,000, carrying an estimated monthly payment of just $417. Whether you are looking for an ultra-affordable first home or a highly profitable rental property with massive cash flow potential, the economic math on this real estate deal is almost too easy to ignore. This home sits on a very generous 0.68-acre subdivision lot within the historic Jones-Hartford community. It offers a highly practical, single-story floor plan featuring 1,032 square feet of comfortable interior livable area. The property includes 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, with inviting living spaces that feel bright and welcoming. The interior finishes are surprisingly polished for a home at this price point, showcasing beautiful ceramic tile, durable laminate, and simulated wood flooring throughout, meaning there is absolutely no tired carpet to tear out or replace. The windows are updated double-pane models, which do an exceptional job of keeping your utility bills down and keeping any exterior noise out. The climate control is fully modernized, featuring central gas heating and central electric air conditioning, which is a rare whole house system upgrade compared to the cheap window units you usually find in this budget tier. The kitchen comes equipped with a gas water heater and a functional range, while the dedicated laundry area features full washer and dryer hookups. For parking, the exterior features a gravel driveway leading to an attached single-car carport. You can relax on the covered front porch and enjoy the slow part of the evening. The home is connected to public water and electricity. Hartford is a quiet town, but major metro amenities and hospitals in Fort Smith are just a short drive away. Property number 1. This is the exact real estate anomaly that sounds like a flat-out typo. Think about it. A standard down payment on a house in most parts of the United States costs tens of thousands of dollars. But what if I told you that you could purchase an entire, standalone 3-bedroom home on its own land for the total price of just $25,000? Welcome to 520 Russell Avenue East, West Helena, Arkansas, where a solid residential property costs less than a basic used pickup truck. Located over on the eastern edge of the state in the historic Mississippi River Delta region, this single-family residence offers an astounding 1,124 square feet of interior living space. The traditional layout sits on a 6,970 square foot lot, which equates to roughly 0.16 acres of private land. The home features 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, with a highly practical single-story layout that places 2 spacious bedrooms directly on the main level for easy, stair-free living. The exterior is wrapped in low-maintenance vinyl siding and sits within the established 32-21-2E subdivision. Now, let's look at the honest numbers straight. At an unbelievable $22 per square foot, this home is being sold strictly as is. It is an investor's dream or a handy homeowner's ultimate fixer-upper project. It absolutely wants a full cosmetic refresh and some basic toolbox. Opportunities like these dirt-cheap Arkansas properties simply do not stay on the market for long. To secure a 3-bedroom home for the price of a used car is a financial miracle. If anyone wants further details regarding any of these properties, the direct links are available inside the description below so you can check them out right now. Do not wait around until other investors snatch these deals up. Click those description links immediately, study the property data, and schedule your private tours today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more jaw-dropping real estate deals, and we will see you next time.